Hey guys, making some hooks for my stained glass ornaments and thought I would jump on really quick and do a quick little video and just show you guys how I do it. So I do want you to know that all the stuff here is available on my website, reneestainedglassworks.com. I'm going to be using flush cutters, the aluminum mandrel that my husband, he custom makes these, and we designed it so that it works perfect for stuff like this. So we also have, I'm going to be using 18 gauge tin copper wire. If you're making a heavier piece, you might want to go with a wire that's a little bit stronger, maybe something like a 14 gauge or a 16 gauge. But these are for ornaments, so I'm going to go with the smallest setting here. And in this mandrel, you will see that there's holes in the bottom of each width. There's different widths, and there's a hole in the bottom of each, and that is because we want to be able to stick that wire in there, and it just makes it easy. And then we just start twisting. And the nice thing about this mandrel is that it has a really nice grip, and it's kind of chunky, but it's light because it's aluminum, so it's not heavy. And it's really nice if you have arthritis or carpal tunnel. I highly recommend it. It's super comfortable, and I haven't been able to find anything like it. So that's why we wanted to be able to offer it to everybody. So there's that. We're going to cut that wire off. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pull this apart a little bit so that I can get my wire cutters by the hole where we stuck the wire in. And we're just going to cut that out. And then the wire just pulls right off. And then we're going to go right down the center here and just start cutting. Sometimes you can get more than one. Make sure you have safety glasses on. Wire tends to fly all over. And so that's it. That's how you make them. I hope this helps some people out. And they're super easy to attach to your stained glass pieces because they're already pre-tinned. You just solder them right on. This little clip comes from a tool called Helping Hands. That's also available on my website. Super nice. I use the Helping Hands tools all the time. Again, I like to only offer tools that I use every day, all the time. So thank you all so much for watching.